Hello all, this is Sakthi Arun, an MTech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting missile Ingeniator. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you guys what is a printf statement and why it is needed, what are the uses in the C program. Okay, basically the printf statement is used to display any value or any statement, whatever you want to give, you can give inside the printf statement that displays the value. Say I give printf, I type welcome to missile Ingeniator. Okay, so if I compile this program and I run this program, I'll be getting the value whatever I give inside the double quote of a printf statement, that will be displayed as same as how I give inside printf statement. So I am building the program. Okay. So I want to give it terminate. I save the program. Okay, my program has built with zero error and zero warning. So now I run this program. So you guys can find that I'm getting the same as the whatever I declared inside the printer statement. I'm getting in an output window. So okay, so this is a printer statement. So whatever you are giving inside the printer statement, that will be displayed. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. So more lectures about printf and how do you get the whenever you declare any variable and how you display those variable values in a printer statement, those will you can watch in my upcoming videos. Thank you.